Today I'll show you how you can repair over 20 cycle tire punctures at the cost of just repairing 2 tires. Let me explain how. I woke up in the morning to go for cycling and I was like, what? The cycle was punctured. Now I have to fix my tires and I was like very much worried. Then I thought, why not fix a cycle and make a video rather than spending all the money on fixing just one tire. So my cycle had this QSR, quick release system. So I quickly released my tires. Main item that you require for repairing the cycle punctures are the rubber solution, the tire removal kit, the sandpaper, the patch. It's the rubber patch that is used in almost all the cycles, cars and bikes. The pump. If you don't have a pump, you cannot repair because you'll not be able to find where the holes are and then you will not be able to repair. Let's go straight to repair. All I need to take this is these 3 tools and hang this nozzle. You can see this nozzle, and I'll try to, insert here and then put this inside. Now the second phase, I'll have to fill this. So this nozzle, I'll bring it upwards and then I'll try to blow some air like this. So I was deciding to put it under the water and see if the bubbles, where the bubbles are coming. But as soon as I put too much of blow, I could see the hole here, in this place. Now I have to take this sandpaper, sand it down this area where the air is leaking, found where the hole was. And the next procedure is cutting this in a round shape. I would say round shape. Why? Because if there are any sharp corners, chances are the gum won't stick properly in that case. Cut this. Let's cut this round. So this is a rubberized gum. You can use this on cars, bikes, or any other vehicle you want to use. And just mix it up. Larger area also doesn't mind. You can try it for a while. Pin this off and then just take it straight away. This is already adhesive one, self-adhesive one. So you don't need adhesive onto this. But if you prefer, you can put the gum on this as well. Put it on this. So once both are dried, and apply this onto the place where it is punctured. And this is the main part. Press it hard. And if possible, press it really hard. Now we'll test. Now the repair is done. Now we'll put some flow into the tube and see if there is any other hole. It is also very much required because we have done the whole procedure. And you can see it is very tightly done. This job is really well done, and you can check like this. And now the question is, how do you fix this? All you need to do is what you have done earlier. Deflate the tube completely and wait for it to deflate completely. And how do you fix it inside and what to do? Since my cycle has this quick release, you don't need any tool to fix it. So let me just fix and show it to you. And all you have to worry about fixing this tire here is, since it is a disc brake, you will have to align the disc brake inside the brakes, and voila, everything will be done. And these are the so this is the easy fix video, and if you are interested in watching these kind of videos, I fix bikes and cycles. So if you want any other videos in the future, do let me know in the comments down below, and I'm planning on making the next video on fixing something else as well. And follow me on my YouTube and Instagram, and let me know what I should be fixing next. And like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.